I just realized that almost every single thing I'm wearing is from my travels, and I didn't do it on purpose this time. My hat I got here in South Africa along the garden route. My sunglasses I got from Hanoi, Vietnam. They are prescription and amazing. This little scrunchie I have on my wrist I can use on my hair. I got that in Hollywood Beach, Florida. I got this lovely dress in Belgium, Brussels, Belgium. I got this scarf, which I'm not using right now, but I will use later, probably today when we do a sunset cruise, just in case. I like having a scarf to keep me warm when I need it. Got this in San Clemente, California. Okay, I just got this fanny pack and I'm wearing it around my shoulder at the moment, but I can wear it around my waist as well. I got that here in South Africa as well, along a little tiny town along the coast. And then my sandals I got in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And a funny story about my sandals, can you see? My sandals, handmade. Funny thing is that I couldn't find anything that was my size for shoes. So I was really grateful to find those sandals that fit me. They wouldn't usually be my style, but since they fit me and I was desperate, I got them, and they are great. They've lasted for a long time. They're waterproof. Really great. I am at Sea Point right now. Sea Point is a suburb of Cape Town. This is the sea behind me. There are a lot of great restaurants along this section and a sidewalk to walk for a long ways.